camp for 2 nights or 2 years, you pick. And yeah, so we just arrived. We're right by a hunting blind. They did tell us that there would be animals coming through this evening to say hello. So that should be kind of cool. Here we are in Tahlequah, Oklahoma on Memorial Day of 2009. It's Catherine's second camping trip. We're officially totally away from everyone in the world, as you can see. Catherine's freaking out because there's no bathroom and Tom's in town. That's all we're going to say about that. Okay, we got a lantern over there and a hammock and a fire and our coolers and chairs. There's the tent. And then you see it's raining. It's been raining all day. So we have our clothes hanging. And then we made this little under area, and right now it's full of wood, but we can yank that big piece out pretty quick and put chairs under there. We've got the lantern, everything set up in case it does rain. And over there, where Catherine's walking, see how sunny it is on the other side? That's where the river is, and we're hoping it's really pretty. I think we're at the very edge of the cliff. Pretty sure. This is our Blair Witch Project video. Catherine picking off ticks all the way.
Man, there's something else. I don't think that the off is working.
Well, there's Catherine over there. I'm thinking you can't see her. Let me turn on my light.
I'm sure that's lots better. Now I'm blind. Okay, seriously, I can't look at you. Wow.
Is that better?
I'll just interview you. I'll be like I'm a secret witness that can't show their face in the full. It can only be a blacked out profile. That's what I'm going for.
Okay, that's a shadow I'm seeing. Oh, there we go. All right, Miss Catherine. Hello, Blair Witch Project.
Hey, what's up?
Are you enjoying yourself?
I am enjoying myself despite the lack of facilities and the inclement weather. Which is really not exactly inclement. It's kind of cool to be sitting underneath a canopy of trees, getting the occasional raindrop, but hearing it rain all around you.
I'm adjusting my light. Sorry. She needs a spotlight because it's dark.
I need a spotlight because I'm a star. What in the world was that? It's almost Tracy's bedtime.
It's 10 o'clock p.m. What's something that you've been thinking about while you've been here?
It seems strange not hearing dogs bark. And it looks like it's really light in the sky compared to how dark it is here, but you can't see any stars.
It's because it's so cloudy and rainy.
Well, I know, but it still is so much lighter up there than it is down here. It's like you could almost see something.
She's not taking mushrooms.
Just looking at stuff. This is only my second camping trip. Last time I was too scared to look around. I was afraid the wild monkeys were gonna come get me. Now I'm not scared. Besides of my girlfriend and her camera.
That's not a very good angle. That's better.
All I can see is red.
How's primitive camping working out for you?
Well, I've found a nice little facility that I've made for myself. It's not nearly as clean as I would like. I happened to see a bug a while ago. It was okay. I'm making it. I'm tough. I'm tough.
Isn't it neat to hear the nature?
Not so much in my facility, but yes, in general.
Here's Catherine and Tracy on Memorial Day weekend of 2009, and we are canoeing on the Illinois River in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. It's about maybe 100 miles from the Arkansas border, and this is the land of the Cherokee where they settled after the Trail of Tears. And it's Catherine's first canoeing adventure. So, without further ado, here's Catherine.
Hi, it's me from the front of the boat. I'm really excited. It's pretty. Look, see how pretty? And if I'm holding the camera, that means Tracy's paddling.
We don't have to paddle.
We're not having to paddle, but it seems like it's more fun. Okay, we'll talk to you later.
I don't know if you can see, but right behind these people they have attached some little yellow ducks, little ducklings, along the canoes. So this is how crowded it is right now, mainly because we've gotten in with another group. But there are some people. My guess is if we stopped for 30 minutes, they'd all be gone. But it's kind of nice to listen to them. Some people have their fishing poles hanging off the back. We've moved Catherine to the back because she's excited about paddling. And so far she's doing a pretty good job. As you can see from the sky above us, it promises to rain yet again. However, we are fearless and could care less. We saw rednecks jumping off rocks. We saw wonderful children having a great time jumping off the rock. There were some nice families